Welcome to the lecture on Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the Green's theorem and problems related to the Green's theorem. The first one is statement of Green's theorem. Let m and n be the two real valued continuous functions and where this m and n are functions of small x and small y. So in x and y of the region R. So for any two continuous partial derivatives dou m by dou y comma dou n by dou x of the curve C such that integration over the region C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration over the region R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Evaluate integration over the region C 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy dy, where C is the boundary of the region y is equal to square root of x and y is equal to x square. So here we have to evaluate the integral here by using the Green's theorem in a plane. So here the given integral of the form integration over the region C m dx plus n dy. So I can choose the values of m like m is equal to 3x square minus 8y square and n is equal to 4y minus 6xy. So given integration over the region C m dx plus n dy is equal to integration over the region C 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy dy, I can write it. So on choosing the values of m and n, so m will be equal to what? 3x square minus 8y square and n will be equal to 4y minus 6xy. So from the Green's theorem in the planes formula, we are having the double integral over the region R, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is there. So according to that, we have to estimate the value of dou m by dou y and also we have to estimate the value of dou n by dou x also. So differentiating n with respect to x partially, treating y constant, I'll be getting the value of dou n by dou x. So since here no x term, 4y will become 0. So differentiating minus 6y, I'll get it minus 6y here. So finding dou m by dou y. So differentiating m equation with respect to y, I'll be getting minus 16y. Since here x is a constant, it will be 0. So minus 8y square will become minus 16y. I can write it. So now I'm going to incorporate all these values in the dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. I'll be getting minus 6y plus 16y. So dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y will become 10y. So and the given boundaries are y is equal to square root of x and y is equal to x square. So first we have to draw the figure for the given boundaries. So since from this one I'm writing this one as y square is equal to x and y is equal to x square are the two parabolas which can be drawn like this. So y is equal to x square can be drawn like this and y square is equal to x can be drawn like this. And this point will be called as a point of intersection for the both the curves and this will be our region of integration R. So now I'm going to replace all this data in the Green's theorem formula, that is integration over the region C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over the region R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. So here I'm fixing the one integral as a variable limit, one more as a constant limit. So let me fix one integral as a variable limit here. So I'm going to assume that the curve is moving from the origin point here to P, again from P to O. So the starting point will be OP curve, OP in the sense y is equal to x curve. So I will be taking the lower limit as y is equal to x square as a starting point and the ending curve will be PO curve. So PO curve in the sense y is equal to square root of x will be the PO curve. So I'll be taking it as an upper limit. And next is a constant limit. I'm taking x as a constant limit here. Now that is x varies from 0 to 1 according to the figure. So 0 to 1. So now here I'm going to integrate the equation with respect to y first. So I'll be getting what? 10 I'm taking outside as a constant. Integration x from 0 to 1. After integrating y with respect to y, I'll be getting y square by 2 with the limits root x and x square into dx. So on applying the limit, I'll be getting the equation like 5 times of integration x from 0 to 1. So root x whole square minus x square whole square dx. It will be equal to what? X minus x power 4 dx. Now again integrating with respect to x, I will be getting x square by 2 minus x power by 5 with the limit 0 to 1. So now finally on applying the limit upper limit 1 and lower limit 0, I will be getting 5 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. On simplifying this further, I will be getting the value 3 by 2. One more example, evaluate integration over the region C, xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, where C is the closed curve of the region bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. So here the given curve is integration over the region C m dx plus n dy. It will be equal to integration over the region C xy plus y square dx plus x square dy. So on comparing these two, LHS and RHS part, I can choose the value of m and n. So I will be taking m is equal to xy plus y square and n is equal to x square. So now from the statement of the Green's theorem, we'll be having dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So according to that, we should find the value of dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y. So finding dou n by dou x, differentiating n with respect to x partially, treating x constant, I'll be getting 2x. Differentiating m with respect to y partially, treating x constant, I'll get x plus 2y. So replace the values in dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, I'll be getting x minus 2y. So here the given curve C is bounded between the two curves y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x represent a straight line from the origin, and y is equal to x square is a parabola which is parallel to positive y axis. So let me draw the figure to find the region of integration and the variable limits also. So I'm drawing the figure like this. This is called origin point, where the values of x comma y will be 0 here, and this is called the point of intersection 1 comma 1, and this will be our region of integration. So here also I'm going to assume that the curve is moving from origin to point P and P to O. So I can take in the variable limit, like lower limit will be y is equal to x square curve, upper limit will be y is equal to x curve. So now I'm going to incorporate all this in the Green's theorem formula. I'll be having integration over the region C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration over the region R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. So I'm fixing the variable limit, taking the lower limit as this curve, that is y is equal to x square, upper limit as y is equal to x curve. So I'll be getting x square to x minus 2y dx dy. Integrating this one with respect to y, I'll be getting integration x from 0 to 1 xy minus y square with the limits x square to x into dx. So on applying the limit, I'll be getting the equation like x from 0 to 1 x square minus x square minus of x cube minus x power 4 dx. On simplifying this, I'll be getting x from 0 to 1 x power 4 minus x cube dx. Integration this one further with respect to x, I'll be getting x power 5 by 6 5 minus x power 4 by 4 with the limit 0 to 1. Applying the upper limit 1, lower limit 0, I'll be getting 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4. On simplifying this further, I'll be getting the value minus 1 by 20.